Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I believe that one of the most reliable trades of the Trump presidency is going to be fading the price action of a stock or ETF. And by fading, I mean going or betting in the opposite direction. Okay, fading a move means if a stock goes down, then right after it goes down, then basically you either buy the stock or ETF, or you buy call options or call option spreads, or you find a way to fade the move, which means to bet that it's going to go in the opposite direction of the direction it just went. So you're counting on a retracement happening in the near future. All right, and so whenever President Trump makes a threatening or negative statement about a company or a sector, then so far, and this we only have a few examples, but whenever a type of statement, a negative or threatening statement, is made by Trump, and that could be through a tweet, that could be through something he says, or whatever. Yes, typically the stock or an ETF representing the sector will go down temporarily, but then it comes right back up. Maybe not all the way back up, but at least partially. And so there is a partial and possibly full retracement. And so you can fade the down move. All right. And that seems pretty reliable. Let's look at IBB. And IBB is an ETF. It's an exchange traded fund representing the biotech or biotechnology sector. And there was a a statement made by Donald Trump right here, and you can see the volume is huge, okay, because people are all paying attention to what he says. And it was it was negative, or there was an implied sort of possible threat there made against biotechs, and so the IBB went straight down. And what do most people do? A lot of people get bearish. They think it's going to go down more. But I recommend, as soon as it stops going down and starts to calm down and starts to go sideways, you get in and you buy the stock or ETF or call options or call option spreads. And you might have to wait a couple days. If you had waited until it stopped falling and started going sideways and just bought, you would have done quite nicely. Look how much it went up just in a couple of days. All right, and so these are short-term trades, or you can hold on to them for medium or long-term. That's fine too. But I recommend if you make a nice profit in a couple days that you take it. All right, and then let's look at Boeing. Boeing, there was a negative statement made on December 6th, okay, but by Donald Trump. But then if you just, as soon as it started to go sideways, things started to calm down, if you had just bought and held on, you would have done quite well over the coming days. And then here's another example of GM, that's General Motors. A negative or threatening statement was made by Donald Trump on January 3rd, but as soon as things started to calm down and go sideways, if you had bought the stock or a call spread, the very next day you would have done quite well. All right, so I believe that's going to be a reliable trade, even though that's only a few examples. But it seems like people tend to overreact in the stock market, and that's been true for many, many years. And you can fade the move, I think, pretty reliably. I'm not telling you what to trade or how to trade. I'm just telling you things that I plan on doing. And there's no guarantees that you'll make money this way, but it seems pretty reliable to me, in my opinion. All right, so if you want some help with stocks, options, anything like that, you can email me at any time. My email address is davidmodell@gmail.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and leave a comment. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive the latest updates on my financial educational content. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon.